Graph the polar coordinate 3 and then 3 pi over 4. Now, we're used to seeing what's called a rectangular coordinate, where when we see two numbers, we think, oh, well, let's go right 3 and then go up whatever 3 pi over 4 is. No, 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 no. This is a polar coordinate. Polar coordinates are given to us where the first number is r. R is the magnitude. R is how far away we draw our coordinate from the 0, 0, or the pole axis. 3 pi over 4 is the degree that we go if we were to go counterclockwise starting from the positive x-axis. Basically what we've always done. So what I do is I start from 0 and I go to 3 pi over 4, which I don't have labeled, but I know 3 pi over 4 is this guy right here. And so this is the line that represents the angle 3 pi over 4. And then since 3 is the magnitude, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 units away from 0, 0, the pole. Put a nice little dot right there, and that's it. That's my answer. That's how you graph a polar coordinate.